Good illuminations. Wendy here. Oh, I just want to come out and enjoy this sunshine. Actually, it's gotten up to about 54 degrees Fahrenheit, and I just have to step outside and get some sunshine. It's finally warm enough to stand out here without totally freezing. It felt wonderful. Yala or Moko Ese. If for no other reason, just to share the gratitude of the trees, the soil, the sun. The days are getting longer here. Every day, I'm already looking forward to thinking about things blooming, sprouting. Dari inoru uti izana aja tuku uzumishi Savasami Tiana Alejano Korama Kilevasma Atuko Inkija se Inaya Pi Intoro Moruma Eke Ete Satialako. My little solar fountain. Just a little dollar store fountain. I love this little enamel bowl set that I found in a secondhand shop. It's a set, and I love them. Nya'aro Ute Izaneshi, and it was a perfect fit. Maroma Akete Siti Samariana. Ajana Kunti Izasho Ono Mayama Ete. Aja Anaki Inte Samasum. Paroku Ana. Tin Sura Soni Tishana Kula. Moroma Herina. Ti Intoro Kojana Shinte. Azaniki Nini Anamalava. Mershutu Uzimi Ina. Koko Oja Anataate. The aroma kate. Even the air smells different. We had a really hard freeze this morning. Everything was, white with frost. So this feels amazing to be out. It's been several days. Of course, other than, letting the puppy dog out, which primarily Sweet Dave does when it's cold. Nijara ate intoro vikende satu shinini. Ooh, it's a bit breezy. It's a little chilly, but I'm so glad I came out. Nishiano ota corona shitaku sa ashana. Sending you all my love. No more oa ana, all my light. As we connect with the sacred forest, spirits. No orama ono kotoya. The nature spirits. Nasimiasho ko inde saniti kalaroto. I love you. They love you. We love you.